Dear Dream, hide me ID please, me need some more advice. Me send a girl 5 messages and she still no respond. At first me say, no man, she have a life outside of social media, see me, so me a give her some time. So me humble myself like squash and chronicle or Sumfest and wait for my turn. Dream, me looking at me following part of my notification to see where people want me follow up to, and I dirty stinking girl name me see her like a sofa picture them. Dream, me feel hurt like the angel when Beanie Man the shame or another dance and say it's not appropriate. Dream, make me calm down. Dream, me now love again. Me a lock up my heart like how them lock up cartel. Dream, want me Christina move some man. All me want do a treat her right and live in her uterus like fibroids. She a move like a beg me a beg her something. Christina, you know what? You do you and me we do me. Dream, post this to me and I hope a dirty girl see it. Oh, PS, no picture no dep on her profile with the man when me see her with na BK. But you see if them still there, I hope him burn her like how them love burn Pernell Charles Arcade.
It's epic out here.